I'm back on the camera. I'm here at home, my home break, and it's gonna be an amazing session. There's clean waves, not a lot of wind, not a lot of people. Stay tuned. As I was saying, it looks really good out there. Smooth, clean waves. I'm super excited. I've got my 6'4" fish quad fin, which I'll show you in a second. Posted up, about to put the wetsuits on. This is my friend Grayson.
Yeah. About to surf cron, local break. We're about to go and get it.
Peace. Put our wetsuits on. Do you want to see what's up? What's up? Look at the forest.
So we got this fish quad, super psyched to ride this. This is Santi's. It's gonna go crazy. And then I'm on the 7-foot quad as well.
Psychic.
Yes, sir.
Psychic. It's gonna be a good session. Wrapping it up here. We're done surfing the home break, and it's been real. G-Money, thanks for being here, man.
Of course, wouldn't miss it. Santi's back for a break just for a bit, and man, Santi was absolutely shredding out there, catching them on both boards.
So was he. He won't tell you, but so was he. With Jason right now, we just finished surfing. It was a good day.
Yeah, good day out here at Cron.
That's right. Jason's been surfing here for so long. I've looked up to him as an inspiration. He wave storms, he goes hard, he's one of the best.
Yeah.
I don't know his name, but never done this before.